I would love to say that I had this plan and hit all these milestones and steps to achieve my goals, but no, that did not happen at all. I actually wasn't on social media at all. My friends were kind of like, what's wrong with you? Due to peer pressure, I was like, okay, maybe I'll start posting some stuff. You know, food and travel is something that I've always kind of been interested in. So I was like, okay, maybe I'll just post, you know, pictures of the places that I go to. One day I just received a notification from Instagram. Hey, we love what you're doing and we're featuring you as a suggested user. I was gaining maybe like 10 to 15,000 followers a day. It was kind of crazy in that there was all these people that cared about what I was eating for lunch. I definitely had moments where I was like, what am I doing? This is insane. I had a good job in a stable company, in a very stable industry, and here I was jumping into this completely new industry that never existed before. I was always the person that always wanted to go out, try new things. Even when I was a kid, I actually used to ask my parents to take me to the grocery store because I just wanted to look at the food. I was like, we don't need to buy anything. I just want to look at all the different products and like different types of fruits and vegetables and see what's there. Food has definitely been a big thing for me, always. I had never been to Ottawa. There's actually a lot to do here. Like the museums are beautiful, the parks are like breathtaking. I love all the green space. The people here are always super sweet, super welcoming, and honestly, there's like an endless supply of good food. Basically the complete opposite of what I expected. Oh, I wish I had like 10 stomachs so I could eat like everywhere.